Welcome to Harmony Store Grove Mall. With you is Vivian Adetunji, the store supervisor. I would like to take you through the various laptops we have in our store. We have, the model is HP 15, the processor is Intel Pentium, it is 4 GB RAM, the hard drive is 1 TB. Features, it is a 15.6 laptop with webcam, Bluetooth, wireless, and it has a fingerprint. The operating system is Windows 10. We also have this Asus X415JA. The processor is Intel Core i3. It is 4 GB RAM, solid state drive, 512 GB. The features, it is a 14 inches laptop, webcam, Bluetooth, wireless, and the operating system is Windows 11. We also have the Lenovo IdealPad 1. The processor is Intel Celeron. It is a 4 GB RAM, solid state drive, 256 GB. It is a 14 inches laptop with webcam, Bluetooth, and wireless. The operating system is Windows 10. We also have various laptops. We have the HP, we have Acer, we have Dell. Any type of laptop you are looking for, we have it in our store. We also have our kids tab. We have this TouchMate. We have the Samsung G tab in our store, available for pickup. It comes with a keyboard. We have the Galaxy tab A7 Lite too, available. Okay guys, don't forget we are running our 10% discount on all our laptops. Do well to come to Harmony Store Grove Mall to patronize us. We're always at your service. Thank you.